Another type of joint based on what we find between the bones is the cartilaginous joint. Now, with this name, guys, you can expect that in the cartilaginous joints, we will find cartilage between the bones. And we have two types of cartilaginous joints. We have the Syncondrosis cartilaginous joints, and we have the symphysis cartilaginous joint. And the main difference between Syncondrosis cartilaginous joint and symphysis cartilaginous joint is the type of cartilage we will find. In the Syncondrosis cartilaginous joint, we find hyaline cartilage, which is the most abundant cartilage in our body. And it is tough, but it's also kind of flexible. In the symphysis cartilaginous joint, we find fibrocartilage. And fibrocartilage is the fibrous one, is the tough one. We find fibrocartilage between the two pubic bones. And since this is fibrocartilage, this is a symphysis. Since this is a symphysis between the two pubic bones, this is named pubic symphysis. So it tells you that that is a symphysis. We also find fibrocartilage between the bodies of our vertebrae. And this thick pad of fibrocartilage is very important for shock absorption between the bodies of our vertebrae. Consequently, this thick pad of fibrocartilage, which is commonly called as intervertebral disc, inter means between, in vertebral, vertebra, intervertebral disc, is another example of a symphysis. And since this is a symphysis between two vertebrae, this is named intervertebral symphysis. Now, going back to Syncondrosis cartilaginous joint, guys, Syncondrosis has the root chondro in it. And chondro means cartilage. And you remember that the most abundant cartilage type we have in our body is hyaline cartilage. Now, hyaline cartilage is the one that's tough but it's kind of flexible. So if you go ahead and you press in your thoracic cage and you feel that cartilage pieces moving where you're pressing, you can conclude that that is hyaline cartilage. And consequently, it is hyaline cartilage connecting your ribs to the sternum. So this joint then is made of cartilage, specifically hyaline cartilage between our ribs and the sternum is a Syncondrosis cartilaginous joint. Now, when I went over bone formation and we talked about the endochondral ossification, I told you that the mold of the bone was made from hyaline cartilage. And that as the bone developed, we ended up with a plate of cartilage between the epiphysis and the diaphysis of long bones. And this plate was called epiphyseal plate. So the epiphyseal plate is a plate of hyaline cartilage between the epiphysis and the diaphysis of a bone. The epiphyseal plate is also considered a Syncondrosis cartilaginous joint.